Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Claims Village, where I share my insights and tips on various topics related to delay and disruption issues in construction projects. My name is Omar and I am a forensic delay analyst with BSc in civil engineering and LLM in construction law and arbitration. In this video, I will introduce you to the SCL Protocol, a document that provides guidance on some of the common delay and disruption issues that arise on construction projects. This video is based on the SCL Protocol document, which you can find in the description below. If you are interested in learning more about the SCL Protocol, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. The content of my presentation is first, introduction, which deals with what is the SCL Protocol and why is it important for construction projects. Second, background, which deals with the problem of delay and disruption in construction and how it affects the parties involved. Third, the solution, which deals with the SCL protocol as an overview and how it provides guidance on various aspects of delay and disruption analysis. Fourth, the objectives, which deals with the aim and benefits of the SCL protocol for resolving delay and disruption issues in a fair and reasonable manner. Fifth, the challenges, which deals with the limitations and difficulties of applying the SCL protocol in practice and how to overcome them. Finally, the conclusion, which deals with the main points of the presentations and invites questions and comments from the audience. In the next few slides, I will explain what the SCL protocol is, how it can help you manage delay and disruption issues on your construction projects, and what are some of the benefits and challenges of using it. Let's take a look at the background of the problem that it aims to solve. Delay and disruption are common problems in the construction industry. They can have negative impacts on the time, cost, quality, and safety of the projects, as well as on the relationships between the parties involved. Some of the main causes of delay and disruptions are changes in scope, design errors, unforeseen site conditions, weather, labor shortages, material shortages, equipment breakdowns, and disputes. Some of the effects of delay and disruptions are loss of productivity, increased overheads, claims for extension of time and compensation, disputes, arbitration, litigations, and reputational damage. As you can see, delay and disruptions are common and costly issues in the construction industry. How can we deal with them effectively? The answer is the SCL protocol, which is a comprehensive and practical guide for managing these issues. Let me give you an overview of what the SCL protocol is and how it works. The SCL protocol is a document that provides guidance on some of the common delay and disruption issues that arise on the construction projects. It was first published in 2002 by the Society of Construction Law, a UK-based organization that promotes education, study, and research in the field of construction law. The protocol was updated in 2017 to reflect the development in the industry and law. The protocol is not a contract document, nor does it take precedence over the contract terms or the governing law. It is intended to be a balanced and practical document that can help the parties resolve delay and disruptions matters and avoid unnecessary disputes. The SCL protocol is not just a set of rules or procedures. It is also a set of objectives that guide its application and implementation. What are these objectives and why are they important? Let's find out in the next slide. The objectives of the SCL protocol are to provide useful guidance on some of the common delay and disruption issues that arise on construction projects, to provide a means by which the party can resolve these matters and avoid unnecessary disputes, to provide practical and principles guidance on proportionate measures for dealing with delay and disruption issues that can be applied to all projects, regardless of complexity or scale. Identify various options or recommendations for dealing with different issues depending on the nature, scale, and level of complexity of the projects and the circumstances in which the issue is being considered. Promote transparency of information and methodology in dealing with delay and disruption issues, and to encourage good practice in project management and administration. The objectives of the SCL protocol are not only beneficial for the parties involved in construction projects, but also for the society. How so? Let me show you some of the benefits of using the SCL protocol in the following slide. The SCL protocol can offer various benefits for different stakeholders involved in construction projects, such as for contractors, it can help them to identify and quantify their entitlement to extension of times and compensation, to prepare and present clear and robust claims to avoid or reduce disputes, and to improve their cash flow and profitability. For employers, it can help them to understand and assess the contractor's claims, to avoid or reduce disputes, to manage their risk and liabilities, and to achieve timely and cost effective completion of their projects. For consultants, it can help them to advise their clients on delay and disruption issues, to perform delay and disruption analysis using consistent and transparent methods, to provide expert evidence in dispute resolution, to enhance their reputations and credibility. For adjudicators, arbitrators, judges, and other dispute resolvers, it can help them to evaluate the parties' argument and evidence on delay and disruption issues, to apply fair and reasonable principles in deciding the cases, and to deliver clear and enforceable decisions or awards. The SCL protocol is not a perfect solution. It has its own challenges and limitations that need to be considered and addressed. What are these challenges and how can we overcome them? Let's discuss them in the next slide. The SCL protocol is not without its challenges. Some of the challenges are: protocol is not a contract document, nor does it take precedence over the contract terms or the governing law. Therefore, it may not be applicable or binding on the parties unless they agree to adopt it in whole or in part. The protocol is not a statement of the law. Therefore, it may not reflect the current or accurate legal position on some issues in different jurisdictions. The protocol is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Therefore, it may not suit all types of projects or situations. It may require adaptation or modification depending on the nature, scale, and complexity of the projects and circumstances in which the issue is being considered. The protocol is not a substitute for professional judgment. Therefore, it may not provide definitive answers or solution to all delay and disruption issues. It may require interpretation or application by qualified and experienced professionals who can exercise their judgment based on the facts and evidence of each case. We have come to the end of our presentation. I hope you have learned something new and useful about the SCL protocol and its role in managing delay and disruption in construction projects. Let me summarize the main point and give you some recommendations in the conclusion slide. In conclusion, the SCL protocol is a document that gives guidance on delay and disruption issues in construction projects. It was published in 2002 by the Society of Construction Law and updated in 2017. It is not a contract document or a statement of law, but a balanced and practical document to help resolve matters and avoid disputes. The objectives of the SCL protocol are to provide useful, practical, and principles guidance on delay and disruption issues, to provide option or recommendation for different situations, promote transparency and good practice, and to help the parties resolve matter and avoid disputes. The benefits of the SCL protocol are it can help contractors, employer, consultants, and dispute resolvers to identify, quantify, assess, prepare, present, evaluate, and decide on delay and disruption issues, claims and entitlement, and to achieve timely and cost-effective completion of the project. The challenges of the SCL protocol are that it may not be applicable or binding unless agreed by the parties. It may not reflect the current or accurate legal position in different jurisdictions. It may not suit all types of projects or situations, and it may require adaptation, modification, interpretation, or application by qualified and experienced professionals. Thank you for watching this video on the SCL protocol. I hope you found it useful and informative. In the next few videos, I will cover the core principle of the SCL protocol, which are essential for understanding and applying the guidance in the document. These videos will be short and concise, so you can easily watch them whenever you have some spare time. If you want to watch these videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload them. Also, please leave a comment below if you have any questions or feedback on this video or the SCL protocol. I would like to hear from you and answer your queries. Thank you and see you in the next video.